guys, welcome back to the MyGlamm studio. My name is Ruchita and I'm a makeup expert at MyGlamm. So today I will be teaching you how you can do a makeup for traveling purpose, like makeup essentials required for your traveling. So mainly we don't want our bags to be filled with a lot of makeup and a lot of products in it. So something like I will just show you 5 products which you can carry in your bag and get like a nice glam look. And you can also take a lot of selfies with that look while traveling. So let's get started. We have our beautiful model Afreen here, and now for initially I have prepped her skin really well with a moisturizer and used the first product out of the 5 which you can carry, that is the Total Makeover FF cream from MyGlamm. So I'm again going to retouch her base a bit. So I'm using the orange corrector from the palette. I'm using the shade medium for her. The orange corrector is very essential when it comes to your dark circles or your pigmentation and your dark spots. It will just hide that and also cut down the grayness, giving you more of an even finish. So wherever I can see a little bit of unevenness, I'm just going in with the orange. Now I'm going in with the foundation that we have here. So the foundation pan that you see here already consists of a concealer, a foundation, a primer, SPF 30 and compact properties in it. So you get everything together. Look at. Just placing the foundation over my orange corrector to give it more of an even look. So this is one palette that absolutely multifunctional, multitasking. You can just carry this one palette and you will not have to carry a lot of stuff in your bag like a different concealer, a different corrector, a different compact and all. Just this one thing would work for you. Now I'm just going to go in with my foundation brush and blending the product out. So all the products that we have at MyGlamm are absolutely multifunctional. So you can just like, in one palette you get like 3 things, or you get like duo products, because of which you don't have to carry a lot. So I've chosen 5 such products which you can just put in your bag and you're almost ready for your party look or also for your traveling purpose. Just going in with a beauty blender from MyGlamm. This is mainly used to just damp off the excess product from the face, and you have to go in bumpy motions like that. Make sure you don't sweep the product out. Pushing the product in the lines. After you're done with the blending, I'm just going to go in with a powder. Powder is not a part of my second product. As you want your foundation to last for a longer period of time, I'm using this Glow to Glam powder from MyGlamm, which is a nice duo again with a translucent powder and a shimmer powder. So I'm using the translucent powder. It's absolutely colorless and weightless as well. Very, very lightweight in texture. Doesn't feel very heavy on the skin. Look at, will just mattify your skin rightly. Make sure you put the powder on the neck as well. The other side of the duo product, the Glow to Glam powder, comes in with the shimmer powder. So you can use the shimmer powder for your parties or even for highlighting purpose, or you can mix it with your moisturizer and use it just for the body. I'm done with the Glow to Glam powder here. So my second product that I've chosen is the Stay Defined. It's a very beautiful product. It's a duo, comes in with a liquid eyeliner and a HD eyebrow powder. So you get both the things together. So firstly, I'm just going in with the HD brow powder. A lot of people tend to ignore and forget their eyebrows, but they do make a lot of difference when it comes to your makeup. So just starting from the arch, filling only in the gaps. It's a beautiful dark brown shade which looks absolutely natural, doesn't look too much. So as I said, you get a nice wand with the Stay Defined brow powder, which actually moves, so it becomes easier for you to elongate the brow towards the tail. So as I said, the other part of the Stay Defined product has a liquid eyeliner, which we'll be using soon. But right now I'm going in for this beautiful product from MyGlamm, which is called Powder Magic. This is just a shadow in a pencil form. You can use it as an eyeliner as well as a shadow on your entire lids. Works perfectly well. Very soft and smooth in texture. For people who don't know how to go in for a eye makeup look, just wear this and you're sorted. This is absolutely weightless to carry even the pencil. So you can just put it in your bag and it becomes very easy. Very much on the go product. While you're traveling, you can just put it on your eyes and you're sorted. You don't have to worry about the brushes and all. The way I'm smudging it only with my finger, that's all you can do. Stay Defined liner. So the duo product with the HD brow powder, the other side of it has this beautiful liquid eyeliner. So you just carry this one product and your brows and your eyeliner is sorted. It's a beautiful jet black eyeliner which sets into a matte base, dries quickly. You can open your eyes. That's how quickly it dries, just in a fraction of seconds. You don't have to worry that, it would just come over your upper lid and all of that. Also, another thing that you can do with the powder magic that I showed you, I'll just show you a quick trick. If you don't want your liner to look like very stark, and if it looks too much for the daytime, you can just go in with the powder magic eyeshadow pencil and just go over your black line, so it looks more like your colored eyeliner. So either you can do it all by itself without putting any shadow, or you can wear it with the shadow as well. You can do it either ways. Now moving on to the third product, I have chosen this Chisel It palette from MyGlamm. So in this you get like three things together. You get a contour, you get a blush, and you get a highlight as well. So going in with the contour. So you have to start from the starting of the ear and you end exactly where your eye starts. So this would be your line. Just taking the product and blending it upwards. The reason to blend it upwards is to give you more like a chiseled and a sculpted finish. So your face looks more lifted. You can do the contouring for the jawline as well. Contouring is basically done to give a proper shape to your face. It's just a shadow illusion that you create with the two colors, a darker and a lighter color. Doing the same thing on the other side. Make sure you blend your contour really well, and for beginners I would suggest a powder contour works really well rather than a cream contour. In the daytime a powder will look much subtle, whereas a cream may look a bit more stark and heavy. Contour your forehead if you feel it's a bit broad. Hers is not that broad, but just going in her hairline. For the highlighting, I'm using the same brush, just placing the highlight on the cheekbones. A little bit for her forehead. A little for the cupid's bow. A little bit for the chin. I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blending it out. I want it to look more natural. Now from the same Chisel It palette, I'm going in with the peach blush. Smile. So this would be the placement, and you just take it upwards and make sure your contour and your highlight and your blush is merged with each other. It should not look like three stark lines. To my another product, I am going in for this beautiful lipstick from MyGlamm, which is a color fusion lipstick. Again, it's a dual product, comes in with a lipstick and a lip gloss, so you get both the things together. So I'm gonna go in directly, starting from the center of her lips. It's a beautiful semi-matte lipstick infused with argan oil and jojoba oil, which keeps your lips nourished throughout the day. Doesn't make them feel very dry and chapped. It's a nice pink which you can carry for your daytime as well as nighttime. It's called Love Brew. And as I said, the other part of it has a nice color fusion plumping lip gloss, which will give your lips more fullness. So the best part about this lipstick is the lipstick color that you get is different from the lip gloss color, and when you mix both of them you get a third color. So you can either wear them individually or you can mix and use it. So I'm mixing this beautiful coral only in the center with the pink lipstick. Gloss is absolutely optional. You can either wear just the lipstick or just the gloss or both of them. It's your choice. Yeah. So this was my fourth product, and moving on to one last product is a kajal that a lot of Indian girls are crazy about. So just going in with a little bit of kajal. Look at that side. These are the 5 makeup essentials that you can carry in your bag when you're traveling and get like a nice glammed up look, which is more selfie ready. I'll just give you a quick brief again. I use Total Makeover FF Cream, which is absolutely multifunctional for your base. I use the Duo Powder, which is another multifunctional product which sets your base. I use the third product, that is a kajal, and I use the Stay Defined liquid liner and a HD brow powder, which is my fourth product. And the fifth product that I used is a Love Brew Color Fusion lipstick with a lip gloss and a lipstick. So almost only 5 products, but they are as good as 10. And I also used a shadow stick which works for your eyes. So these are all the products that I used. Absolutely multifunctional, very lightweight to carry, makes your life really easy. I hope you guys really liked this look and you enjoyed it and you will try it. You can also download our MyGlamm application. You can buy our products there or you can learn more looks. We come in live every day. If you have any comments or queries regarding this look or any other looks, you can let us know. This is Ruchita and I'm signing off for the day. Bye.